Hey guys, today we're going to be playing Teardown, and we're going to be playing it on Sandbox, and we're going to see how much destruction we can cause with all these mods I have downloaded. Now we're going to start over here, and if you guys have never played this game, you can take your anger out on everything. Like, you can use really anything. You can download mods that are all free. You can use this physics gun, which is cool. And there's so many different possibilities you could do. There's also I'm going to show you guys a glitch. It needs to work with wood. So if you get a box and you use the physics gun, you guys destroy it all, the whole box. Look, the gun still has its laser beam, but the thing is closed. If you let go, it's back to normal. And there's this one right here. You can actually pick up items like this. You can use these to break more items to pick them up, which is very helpful. Now it's easy to use all these items, and the physics gun can also be easier. So you can collect all of this, move on the ground. This thing is really cool. Right through the building. This thing can even click. We are gonna do something. For Pokemon fans out there, we will be getting a giant Charizard. Now this giant Charizard is big, and you spawn on top of his head. Cool thing I like to do is this right here. And if you go like this and chop off his head, like you can go like this. And you make it perfectly. You can actually get the head off. Now with this, you can slam dunk into the ground, and you can also use your gun. Ultra gravity gun. Just suck up all of this, and it's like a vacuum. And in our next video, we're actually going to be completing the whole game from start. So we're going to be having fun destroy all this. And there's different maps you can download. And you guys should download Teardown. It's free, it's fun, and it's fantastic. And you can get things you wouldn't really get in real life. You could ride a train on here. You could do almost anything. And they're all pixels. So you guys should download Teardown for free on any device. Here's something really cool. You know how Charizard can fly? Yeah, with the gravity gun, watch this. Physics gun. Charizard can finally fly. But of course, since it's going so high, all the pieces fall down. And if you bring it up, 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 you can smash it down onto the ground. And all the bits and pieces, you can just collect them all. And you can see how dirty this is. And check this out. I got something a little too overpowered. I gotta find it first. It's called a death ray. Wait. But it also kills you. That isn't that good. And these are all packs you guys can get. And this is really fun to mess around in the game. Also, you can download different maps on here. There's also a Minecraft map. And I can play on that one next. If you guys suggest it in the comment section below, you can play that. But it's really cool. Basically, and since there's physics in the game, things go flying. Which, in my and you guys, so I'm back. I finished doing this, and this is a cool glitch right here. You can hover over it, and look. The thing is, it's actually glitched into the ground. You can put it up, put it back down, into the ground. It takes a little bit of time, but it'll work. This piece is way into the ground. Also, here's a cool thing. If you hold one of the buttons here, it just makes this. And that brings the ground. But since I already turned it over to smoke, nothing happens. But if you hold the other button, it shoots up this. But if you hold both of them, you can see the particles from this and then this. Which I think, in my opinion, is quite cool. And there's so many different weapons. And there's a mod pack. So there's Kirby. Kirby's. It's Kirby. And if you thought Kirby's weren't. And Kirby's go pow. Kirby's are now indestructible. Kirby's, tell us the secret. Alright. How is this possible? Okay. I'll just throw a bunch of dice. Let me see. Oh no, the Kirby's are destroyed. Kirby's. What? Kirby's are now yellow and. How is this possible? You know, I'll just spray paint in yellow. But these are all a bunch of mods, and there's also some different maps. You guys, well, if you guys say which maps you guys want me to play, I can do it. But I think I'm just gonna go to Minecraft Village, and I'll see you guys later.